Mm-hmm.
Can you, here, go over there and make her. Yeah, I got it. I know, I don't either.
There she goes.
Sweetheart. Go, sweetheart. Is she named too?
No.
All right.
She's trying to escape. She can barely breathe.
I know. Oh.
You're gonna put go
Open
like
the
a
garage,
tag that
please.
says go first, right? Wait.
Oh, poor baby.
Oh yeah, he's gonna run far.